Hello and warm welcome to our project Helper Hub, which is a part of the Hack the Bronx Hackathon. Next, here is our problem statement. As we can see, we have to build something that will be helpful for the people, especially with respect to their neighborhood, as this is the theme of the hackathon as well. There is a lack of such software in our industry or in our society, in which all people of particular society can connect with themselves. They can connect via different means, but not on the same portal. Next, this is our solution to these problems. We have created a web bot that consists of people with different types of occupation, such as doctor, tutor, logistic, or service providers. They can log in or be a part of the helper hub by creating themselves profile. Once their profile is created, their names will be displayed on our hub so that anyone can contact them easily. Hence, by this means, anyone can know about each other and contact them whenever necessary, rather than finding someone stranger for the work. From now onwards, my friend Rushi will continue.
Yes. So, what are the technologies we use in the our project? So, for the backend part, we use the Django REST framework, Django, and the API for verification of the user, which is the Twilio APIs. And in the front end part, we use the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and jQuery. Yeah. Next slide. So, these are the some of the features of our project Helper Hub. We build a platform for all the people to connect on the single hub. It's a for the registered user can log into the that profession. We have made a chat platform where they can easily communicate with each other. The main vision of the our project is to build an ecosystem where the finding or providing a gig jobs or the service is a hassle free. Next slide. So this is the innovation of our project. Whenever a person need to contact a doctor, tutor, or any other service provider person, he can use our app and register and connect with them. Using our app, they can register and find their neighbor working person which can provide a service to that person. This will make the more familiar context with a particular society rather than connecting with the unknown person. Our mission of this Helper Hub is to make everyone financially self-reliable using either their skills or resources. Yeah. Now on, Mohit will continue.
Thank you, Rishi. So let's see what are the impacts of our project. As you can see, the impact will have a this will have a good impact on our society. Every person can become more friendly with their neighborhood. Like this is very helpful whenever someone is staying at a place and he is not friendly with their neighbors. But using this, he can know about their neighbors, like what are their occupations, etc. Here we can conduct doctor, tutor, logistic service, or any other service in their neighborhood. Like whenever needed, if he or she needs any of these services, then they can directly call or like using our project, they can chat with them also, or they can get all the details of them. Next slide. So let's see about the future plans. Integrity. We are trying to building a better chat system which is very friendly. Also, a better website for all the people which is very easy to use. Then comes security. A good website is required a very high amount of security also. So we are ensuring about every secure measures like OTP verification, etc., and more features in the near future. Then location. We are also trying to add a location system so that they can easily communicate with their neighbors. Like they can know what neighbors are 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 into his location or not. Then community build. We have added mainly four fields like doctor, tutor, and service provider, and logistics. So we are trying to add more and more fields according to the occupations. different types of occupations also. Next, here are the team members: Tapan Sawani, Rushi Chavya, Manthan Gasadia, and Mohit. Our team name is Team Debug Thugs. Next. That's all for us. Now, my friend Manthan will explain the project.
Okay, thank you, Mohit. So now let's see our project. Right, it's running in the background. So this is our home page. All right, and these are all the occupations that are currently available in the society for like tutors, doctors, logistic workers, and other services. Here is our motto, and here is our contact us form, so that you can contact us anytime. Okay. Now let's see the about page. Here are all our teammates: Tapan Savani, Rushi Javia, Manthan Tasadia, and Mohit Panchasra, and all of their social media accounts, and some about something about them. And here is the contact us form. Now let's see Hub portal. So to use this feature, first you will have to sign up or sign in. So let's sign up a new user. Give the flag number. And here select the occupation, like as a doctor, and sign up. Okay. Now, if the user is doctor, then there is a option for create profile. In So for creating profile, first you will have to verify the mobile number that you register here. Click on verify. Right now, verify with SMS. Yes, so code is 048435. Submit.
Yeah, we are using the Twilio API for sending the SMS and verifying the mobile numbers.
Yeah. Okay. So it's verified. Okay, right now. Close. Now let's create profile and select the degree of this doctor and etc. So first select degree MBBS, specialization type orthopedics, okay, date of birth, gender male, bio about himself, any description he can provide, time or anything like that. Now register. Now if the user has already created the profile, then you can update the profile from here, create profile button. You can update your information from here. All right. Now let's go to Hub portal. Here you can talk with all the doctors, tutors. Here are the doctors, and then here are all the tutors, the service providers. Right. Now let's talk to go to. So this is our. So here we implemented the chat. Here you can talk with go to, like hello. The message is sent. Right. Now let's check if the message is sent or not. to sign in from Go2. We send message as Manthan. So let's go to hub Manthan. Here, okay. So message is received successfully, and as you can see, it's working on both the sides. Refresh here. All right. So that's about our chat implement, and from here we can log out from the app. So that's all about our project. Thank you everyone.